So this one is the ATIV Hybrid. Hindi ko na kayo pag-aantayin. Pasok agad tayo. So what do we have here? The new ATIV Hybrid. So ang ganda. Nice. So mas maganda talaga simulan agad natin sa loob. I know you want to get in to it ASAP. So let's begin here. Side mirror. And just like that one, the ATIV E Astig, meron na agad tong turning signal light na integrated. Usually, sa top of the line lang, pero yun, nakakagulat. Even the E variant, meron na. So, under is the 360 camera. So, moving on dito sa door handle. So, meron tong smart entry. So, yan, makikita nyo, ayan, yung dalawang line na yan. That's the sensor. Right? So, let's go in. Wow. Nice. So, yan yung look ng door panel niya. Okay. Let's go. So, ito ang design. So, may pang-adjust tayo ng side mirror. Of course, the cursor. Meron siyang auto. Auto means kapag nilock mo, mag-auto fold tong side mirror. Maganda yan para ma-remind kayo na nalock nyo na pala yung doors. Minsan kasi tayo pag paalis na, teka nga, double check ko, parang hindi pa nakalock. Pag nakita nyo naka-fold na yung side mirror, it means nakalock na siya. So, lock. Lock ng window, central lock. This is the central lock for the doors. Then, ito yung window panel niya. So, ito yung design ng pang-unlock ng door niya. And even the lock. Nice. And under is the cup holder. Of course. Then, meron tayong speaker. Manual adjust for the seats. Yan na. Pero may seat height adjuster siya. Nice. Okay. Then, same pa rin with ATIV E. Andito pa rin yung trunk and the gas. Pero ito, wala to Kanina, parang hindi ko napansin to sa ATIV E. Ito yung lagay ng card. Yeah. And ito yung pang-open ng hood. Nice. So, ito, medyo mahaba lang i-discuss to. So, ito, nandito yung lane departure, parking sensors, traction, EV mode. It means the EV mode, pwede kang mag-full electric mode. Pero take note, guys, hindi to papayag mag-full electric mode kapag mababa yung battery level. So, this one is the auto high beam. So, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng auto high beam is if in case may makasalubong kang malakas yung ilaw, itong vehicle mo na mismo ang maglo-low beam para hindi magbanggaan yung ilaw nyong dalawa. 'Di ba? Magkakabulagang kayo. Nice. And cup holder. Yan. And of course, meron tong night sensor na kapag kagabi is bubukas mag-isa yung ilaw nyo. That's a nice feature. Diba? Minsan kasi tayo, hindi natin napapansin. Nakapatay pala ilaw natin. Yan, nangyayari yan. So this is the sensor for the lane monitoring. Alright? So just in case nawawala ka pala sa lane mo, mag-a-alert siya. Just to remind you. Maganda yan. Kasi yung iba, yung pala nakakatulog na. So, going to the steering wheel, guys. So, yan ang panel niya. So, yan meron tayong cursor here to navigate, of course, the multi-information display. This one. Alright? Hindi rin siya analog. Yan, ganda. Mas advanced yung, dahil hindi na nga siya analog. Ganda, digital na siya. And the volume control, 360 camera button, voice command, of course, back button, trip, and the cursor, of course, the enter. And yan, round design siya with silver accent under. So dito naman tayo is yan, nandito yung cruise control niya. Alright? Meron din cancel. And ito, lane assist, lane warning assist, and answer call. Alright, mode, just like I discussed, ito is shortcut button lang siya talaga. Just in case nakafocus kayo sa road while driving, gusto mo magpalit ng AM, FM, Android connectivity, Bluetooth. So ito yung shortcut button, this one, the mode button. Right? Then skip. Pwede mo skip dito yung song or radio station. Then this one is the drive mode. Ito, drive mode na to, you can choose between power mode, normal, and eco. So ayun na nga, like I mentioned for the hybrid units, hybrid ka na nga na sobrang tipid sa gas, then meron ka pang eco mode. Grabe, nasa tipid yan. Then the power mode. So sa power mode, mapapansin nyo, yan, mas aggressive na yung engine. Konting apak lang sa gas. Yan. Then ito yung design ng power button nya. Alright. Aircon vent, hazard button, so yan yung monitor. Fortunately, I cannot turn the monitor on dahil nandito tayo sa showroom. Yan guys. If you want to see this, just contact me in advance para at least ma-check ko kung may naka-display na unit. Yan, ma-viewing yung unit. And then dito sa ilalim yan. Same with the ATIV-E, meron USB port here. Yan, dalawa. Yan. Then temperature control, right? Auto mode, off, airflow control, right? Rear defogger, air circulation, thermostat. So paikot yung design, rotary design yung controls niya sa aircon. And by the way, meron tayong power supply. Nice. This one is the classic power supply, yung bilog. Yan. Dati, nung unang panahon, lighter yan. And meron tayong wireless charger. Nice. By the way, meron niyang on-off dito. Nandito lang So, lagyan niyo lang yung phone nyo dyan. And, pakita ko lang tong shift knob. By the way, meron button here under. So every time you change the drive mode, you have to push this one. See? Right, hindi ko lang pakita sa likod. And the drive choices are, of course, this is the park, reverse, reverse, neutral, drive, and brake. If you're wondering about this letter B, this one is for the low gear. Alright? Very ideal, especially kapag uphill tayo. Yan, paakyat tayo. Yan. Right? Then, ganda, meron pala tong brake hold assist. Then, the electronic handbrake. Electronic brake. Okay? So, wala na dito sa hybrid natin yung traditional na handbrake na you can grab. Ito, push and pull na lang. Okay? Then, this one is the brake hold. So, ang brake hold assist, instead of pushing this electronic brake, all you have to do is just long press yung brakes. Okay? So each time na dadating ka sa side mirror, i-long press mo lang yung brake mo, and then mag-auto na siyang mag-brake. So kapag nag-go na yung signal light, apakan mo lang yung gas, then magdi-disengage na yung electronic brake niya. So yun, na-design niya para hindi ka tingin ng tingin dito So, minsan kasi titingin tayo dito, nag-worry tayo, baka iba mapindot natin. So, yeah, para mag-disengage lang yung brake hold assist, you just have to step on the accelerator. Nice. And then, the design ng center pocket natin. Ito, meron ditong pull. This one, kita nyo? Yan. Okay. So, yan. This is the design ng, meron siyang parang carpet na tela dito. Okay? And yan, na-mention ko, leather seat siya. So yan yung design niya. Dito, this one is gray. So akala mo meron siyang seat ventilation. Pero hindi. Ayan lang, meron siyang mga small holes. Pero yan, black, then gray. light gray. Yan. So, pakita ko nga yung glove box. So, nice. That's a glove box. And, nandito yung nakatagong cup holder. Right? See? And, yan. Same design, of course, sa passenger. The design ng door panel. So, moving on tayo sa headliner. Meron tong salamin. Teka nga. Check ko nga sa passenger. Oh! Same with the ATIV E. That's the ATIV E, nasa kabila lang, oh. Wala rin yung mirror, yung passenger niya. Then, lagay na sunglass or reading glass here. Okay. And, ayan. Oh. Ayan, puti yung ilaw nito sa loob. Whereas doon sa ATIV E, yun na nasa labas, is yellow yung ilaw niya dito sa cabin. So, meron pa rin door function. Of course, hindi mawawala yan. By the way, ito, discuss ko lang para mabilis. This door function is just to remind you na baka mamaya meron palang nakabukas na door. So, iilaw siya kapag meron palang nakabukas na door. So, yeah. That's just it. Meron pa ba ako nakalimutan? Wala na yata. And we're moving on sa second row. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Alright. So, ito ang design ng door panel niya. Very much the same, pero of course, meron lang pang adjust dito ng window. And yung cup holder niya is nandito na. And parang hindi ko napansin to sa ATIV E, Meron siyang piano black finish here. Right? Of course, meron din speaker. Then, ito, hindi na to cup holder, guys, lagay na lang to ng files. Pakita ko yung second row seats. Yan, meron siyang gray design with small holes, Check ko lang kung nakikita nyo. Yan, nilapit ko. Sana naka-focus. Then, ito, meron tong parang silver na texture. Yan. So, very nice. Ang ganda. It's the new look of the Vios that we call now the ATIV. And merong aircon vent, of course. Nice. And adjustable aircon vent. So, pwede mo siya i-off. Then, same with the ATIV E, Yung ATIV E, meron din power supply here. And ang power supply niya is USB port. Hindi siya Type-C, USB port. And then, sa likod is, meron pa rin lagayan ng files. Right? Nice! So, yan of course, meron tayong center cabin light. Nice! So, walk around naman tayo sa unit. So, yeah, like I mentioned, before I begin here, mukha siyang Camry for me. It's like the baby Camry. See? Yan ang nagpa-Camry na look sa kanya is this one. See this one? Yan. Kita nyo? Yeah. So, ipapakita ko kasi dito sa inyo yung Camry na we have here in showroom. Kaya ako nasabing halos kamukha niya yung Camry because of this one. Kita nyo? Mas malaki lang talaga yung sa Camry. And ang laki kasi ng engine nito, of course, with the 2.5 engine. So, see that? Yan, parang hood na yan. Yan, itong extension ng hood is yun yung kaya ako nasabing kamukha niya yung Camry. Right? So, balikan ko lang. And yung grills niya, of course, in the future, pwede nyo i-upgrade tong grills na to. And ganda. Alright. So, meron tong front sensor. Like I mentioned doon kanina, sa button, located there is the parking sensors. So, pakita ko ng ilaw Then, Ang design ng mugs niya is this one. What's the size of this? 16 inches for the mug size. And for this one, ang tire niya is Bridgestone. Nice. It's a two-tone design. Yan. Right? Then, sa kabilang side, this one is the passenger side. Meron din siyang smart entry. See? Kita niyo ba yung dalawang line? Right? So, pakita ko yung likuran. Yan. See? Nice. And of course, meron tong apat na sonars. See that? 1, 2, 3, and 4 nandun sa kabilang dulo. Okay? So ito tutuwa ako dito na meron na nito even sa E-variant. Yan. Parang supposed to be additional upgrade to Pero fix na to, nandito na to. Built in with the reflector. Yan. Siya dito napaka-sporty ng look nito Oh. Kita niyo ba? Dilim lang. Yan, that one. Okay. And the HEV badge, of course. Just to remind those traffic enforcers na wala nga tong coding. Yan. And the ATIV. Yan. This one is the hybrid. The Vios ATIV. Right? Okay. It's super nice. It's the new generation, the new look. ATIV. Yeah. So, I'll be uploading also the Vios E. The ATIV E. Yan. Check nyo na rin agad dito sa page ko, of course. Stop recording. Yeah, so before I forget, of course, meron kami trade-in dito. Pero, I highly suggest, dali nyo yung unit dito, of course. Hindi na kami nagbibigay ng quick estimate Mas gusto na appraisers namin, dali nyo yung unit dito just to see na decided talaga kayo. And in that way, makikita namin talaga yung actual vehicle condition. Yan. And yan. Let's say for example, naging appraisal ng unit nyo is 600,000, 700,000. We can use that as down payment sa financing. If in case gusto nyo i-finance yung balance ng unit, then pwede rin naman natin nun ibawas na kung cash transaction nyo gusto i-avail yung bagong unit natin. So yeah, yun na yata. Usually I leave my Viber and WhatsApp here. Contact me anytime, and I apologize doon. May mga nagagalit sa atin na bakit daw hindi pinopost yung price. Hindi ko na pinopost yung price kasi nga anytime pwedeng magkaroon ng price increase. If you really wanna know the price, chat nyo lang ako anytime. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please visit. Marami akong videos about Toyota lineup. Visit my TikTok and YouTube channel. Bye!